Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, we're going to talk about sediment transport. But let me say two, because we have talked about one before. So when we talk about the sediment transport, we are looking still inside the subject matter of erosion. Sediment transport is one of the stages of erosion. If you recall, erosion, you have the detachment stage, we have the transportation stage, and you have the deposition. Stage. So, first detachment by erosive forces, transport by transportation agents forces, then deposition. But our interest for now is on this sediment transport. So sediments have various sizes, various particle sizes, and can be transported either by fluid, either by water or by air. So what we're talking for now, that of water. So sediments, when they are detached, water carries them from one location to the other. So, and as they are being carried, they are causing another detachment by themselves, depending on the sizes of the particles. So water is a carrier, and wind is also an agent or the means of transport. But our interest for now is transport by water, because this can cause many problems. The sediments. The sediment enters your dam, deposits, and cause shallow. The reservoir will be shallow if it is not well designed. The sediment can cause eutrophication. Whatever thing that is carried, that is fertile, can cause eutrophication in water bodies, and so on. So that the sediment is very, very important to be taken care of in your structures or every place you are working that is involved. Now, let's look at vegetated waterways. Maybe in the next lecture we'll start on vegetated waterways, vegetated and non-vegetated waterways. That's waterways that have vegetation. And there we look at the impact of sediments and so on. Thank you.